So this is I broke that.
That's it!
You want those from the Miata?
I'm not putting steelies on the Miata.
Because it runs, so it doesn't drive, but.
Let's talk about this thing. What is this?
1JZ twin turbo, stock twin turbos. 560 OBO, no low balls, no shaft play. I know what I got. That's shaft play right there, actually. We installed the short shifter and then it didn't work, so I ripped it all apart and I pretty much got a rebuild kit. New C clips, even new one of these, they still fucking make. So this is
floppy.
I broke that, so I fabricated a plate that just bolts here, and essentially it's just gonna keep it in place. I remember I was like, oh, the DND wanted to make me delete my clock spring, and I deleted anyways. My hands are fucking disgusting because I painted myself by accident.
Look at this axle. That's pretty cool.
Oh yeah, do you like the new floor mats?
Yeah, they're nice.
Okay, so these are the metal spacers that go under this. Oh! You hear that? Wait, do you remember the dude was like, Tim was like, I'll give you an ECU as kind of like a equal trade before I wouldn't pull the engine, and it was a fucking airbag control module.
No way.
Yeah. Come on, push it down, this will snap into place.
I got a brace.
O-ring, this is a no ring.
Nah, bro.
Leave a like for that joke. You're like, unsuspectingly strong.
I guess. My forearms are crazy, dude. They're like twice the size of my biceps. I don't think it's on properly, but...
Fine by me, bro, it ain't my car. Can you believe we did this in like...
No! Yeah, do that one. Well, do that one first. Get it on!
I have I was gonna say Parkinson's, but that wasn't appropriate. Hey guys, this is a totally first attempt.
All of it. All of the engine.
Me.
Don't drop it any more than that, please.
No can do.
Put it down. No can do. I have to drop it. Okay, ready?
What was that?
The car? It's on the car, somehow. Oh, pick it up, pick it up.
That looks nice.
Oh. That's it! It's in! Look at that. Look at this. Oh, and it was out of focus. Let's take it out and then I'll put it back in.
Funny joke,
We
yo.
probably could do that.
Nope,
We honestly could. We honestly maybe could.
You know what time it is? It's bracket time. I'll get a banging bolt for that one.
You better.
Watch me, boy.
It's disconnected completely now.
Like it's all in?
Like it's, yeah.
I'm running it no oil.
Oh, okay.
It's a new modification they did down in
Iraq?
Starter.
Well, because then your engine will blow up.
Starter.
No, let's do all the other bolts first.
I don't want to get under this thing.
Fine, put the starter on. Yes! We're gonna have to get under it anyways.
No Sherlock.
You don't have a tie down for your battery?
I gotta get one.
Yeah, like that should be the first thing you get. Not like engine swap. It actually was swapped. This thing is engine swapped to the same engine.
Pick a number between 1 and 2.
2. Can I put my expert opinion on this?
Probably this one.
Which one has less wear?
You tell me, I don't really know shit about fucking
I
starters.
think this one has less wear. This one is chipped.
Oh, okay. Well, this one has to go in the engine, so... in the tranche.
Tranche?
Can you stop straddling my shit after that so I can put the bolts in?
You kinda stuck.
I'm gonna money shift your Miata.
You did! You like did!
I
You
perfectly
did.
downshifted.
Accidentally.
I thought it was 2 gears. He said 2 gears.
Well, 2 gears is a money shift. If you're at redline and you downshift 1 gear, where will you be?
Above redline?
Yeah, by 1,000 RPM.
That's not good.
No, you blow your engine.
Man, you're fucking...
Man, you're fucking.
I think our next order of business should be to put the hood on. Race Instinct ladies, hit us up.
Nice.
It's feeling...
Shirt's good.
It's oily. I got it, bro.
Okay. You don't have to sit it in there. Whoa. It's like grape jelly.
Alright guys, so this is Royal Purple Break-In Oil. I'm using it because I'm smart and I want my engine to be good. These are gonna help set my rings and lubricate the engine nice. I wanna lick it so
Yeah,
bad,
it looks like grape.
Rota RKRs.
Why don't you just buy new ones?
I don't have the money for that. You want those from the Miata?
I'm not putting steelies on the Miata.
Oh, so how do we torque the harmonic balancer?
I just told you.
In 5th.
You can manually put it in 5th.
No.
Yeah?
Nope.
Why?
How?
Why would you say no?
It's not manually put in 5th. Sounds like a bad idea.
Go to the linkage up here, and then you figure out what's 5th. What is this? This is ugly.
I got that bolt from Napa.
Down there. Yes. Sweet, dude.
This thing is heavy, dude. Wild. This is the first time we ever hear what that exhaust sounds like.
This looks better. Sucking air from a corner. It goes all the way around the engine bay. No.
How much should I put in?
You'll need to continuously put some in.
No AC for sure.
Alright, you should videotape it with your phone. I'm trying to get this nut, this left one, the one closest to me. I'm trying to unscrew that. Oh. Nice. You see how like there's a little bit of like when you let go, it goes like it's dampening. That's on purpose so you don't just like close the fucking throttle.
As soon as we get the engine all set, the interior just comes right back apart. It's fucking something else with this car. That fabricated piece is fucking sick though.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, it works really well.
I did most of the legwork, but
It works really well. Holy shit. That's where it needs to idle.
how does it brake feel? Still a little spongy.
What about a clutch?
Straight to the floor.
That's great.
Ladies and gentlemen mechanics, after about 5 months and thousands of dollars, not exaggerating actually, worth it, I guess, in a sense, because it runs. So, it doesn't drive, but it'll get there.
Well, I'm going home.
I am going to fucking bed.
Yeah. Okay, goodbye.